Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So firstly, we're going to start off with making the Jamaican Bulla Cake keto friendly style. And we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of almond flour. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon coconut flour. I'm using a sugar substitute, the Swerve brown sugar, but you can use any other sugar substitute you'd like, 2 tablespoons. At this point, you can go ahead and add in the 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, your 1/8 teaspoon xanthan gum, and a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. At this point, you're going to add 1/8 teaspoon each of allspice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Also a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. So I melted the butter in the microwave for about 25 seconds or less. And then I added in I combined all the wet ingredients. And after doing that, then I made a little well. I made sure that all my dried ingredients were properly combined. Then I made a well in the middle, and then I just poured the wet mixture in. After I've combined both the wet and dry ingredients, I'll use the spatula to help me mix it in until I get like a grainy texture. Then I go in with my hand and mix it and try and roll it into a dough. Try and combine it into a dough. It may feel a bit sticky, but it will work. You'll just use your hand to gently mold it into a little ball that I will then flatten to create that perfect. It's easy, it's malleable. It doesn't feel like you're working too hard to get it into that little shape. And then I use a glass Pyrex. After I will spray it, I use a spray to just grease it. You can use butter, whatever you have to grease that container. And then I prefer the glass container, a flat one that you could spread it properly in there, so you can get a nice wide bulla size. Then I put it in the microwave, and this is where it can get tricky. Depending on how intense your microwave is, it may take you anywhere between a minute and 5 seconds to a minute and 20. You have to watch it. It can burn easily. This was my second attempt at it. When I did it, I started out initially with 1, and then I had to go to a bigger. I did the timing was too long, and then I cut the time down my second attempt. And it took me, the second attempt, about 65 seconds. And then it is perfect. In no time it came out. I left it to cool. This is now what it looks like. It's still slightly warm, but it looks like a decent sized bulla, no? I want to leave it for a little to come back. I wish I had some cheese, but I'm not really a cheese person. Well, rather cheese doesn't like me. So I'm going to have it with the next best thing, and that is avocado. because you know in Jamaica we love to have bulla and pear, and that's our name for avocado. It's been sitting in the fridge. Let's leave this off on this side right there. Right. Look at that. You know, it's a little bit darker in some parts, but I like it. You know, it still breaks well. I have a piece with bulla. So get a crunch. I still think I need to dial down the spice just a bit, but yeah, it breaks apart nicely. Wrong person. I taste compared to the other one. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be tweaking some other of my favorite Jamaican recipes, trying to make them more keto friendly for me. At least less sugar and less carbs. I'm trying to avoid sugar as much as I can. And please comment below if you have tried this recipe and let me know what you think. If you have ideas on how it can be tweaked, I'm open to hearing it. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys come back to see more of my videos. Bye.